Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your email address on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, go to the settings app right over here, and then go ahead, tap on your name. From this section, go ahead, tap on sign in and security. Then go to this email section, and once you add an email address right over here, you will tap on continue. Then it will ask you to verify your email. If you have added a Google email, right, if you have added your Gmail, then you will get a certain code in your Gmail right there. Once you have pasted that particular code, then you will be finally able to verify your Gmail for your Apple ID on your iPhone like that, and you're good to go. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.